Hi everyone, Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this tutorial, we'll cover our Schedule Publications feature available for Gold and Enterprise plans. This functionality allows you to get the publication's public and offline dates, automating the launch process and saving time. It is very useful when you want to ensure your publications are accessible from a specific time, for example, according to your ad or newsletter campaigns. If you use a group URL on a landing page, the schedule feature can also be leveraged to update the page with the newest content. Now let's review the scheduling option in the platform. First, let's make sure our group's time zone is set up correctly, as this is the time that the schedule feature will use. We go to Group Settings and check the time zone in the General section. Adjust it according to the time zone used by your company. If you make any changes, always remember to update group details. Let's go back to the main view and click the calendar icon to access the schedule. Set the public date, which is the time and date when the publication will go online. You can also configure an offline date, which is when the publication stops being accessible. To apply changes, click the Save Schedule button. You'll notice the public and offline dates now appear in the publication overview. If you need to adjust or disable the schedule, click the calendar icon again and save the new changes. That's all for the schedule feature. Relevant articles from our knowledge base are linked below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one!